Are you looking for a house that may have this? Listen.
So quiet, right?
Nothing. Birds. That's it.
It's beautiful. So, my name is Mark. This is Jeff. If you don't know us, we are with the Charleston Area Living Group. And we've got a special treat for you today. We're on 2 acres.
2 acres.
And it's a beautiful home, modular home, all bricked in. Got an awesome floor plan, and almost everything is new.
Yeah, really gorgeous house. I can't wait for you to see inside. We are only about 5 minutes from Cottesville here.
Yep.
We're in Roundo. That's just a fun name to say. Roundo,
I live
South
in
Carolina.
Roundo.
Yeah, I want to buy the house just so I live in Roundo. This is a cool property. Look at what they did with the backyard here. Completely fenced in. It's got a 10-foot opening. So if you have a boat or something you want to store behind the house, you can do that.
Yep.
Let's take a look around. I think you're going to love this place. Hey, so what do you think? Really quiet, peaceful, beautiful,
Awesome.
out here in the country.
Everything's brand new inside.
Yeah, I hope you love this as much as we do. If you have any questions about this one, or you want to just schedule time to either meet with us by phone or a Zoom call, there's a link that you can click here. You can check out our website at charlestonarealiving.com.
Have a great day.